Are you interested in tech support job and looking for a remote work from home opportunity? Here is a great opportunity for you. This is a work from home remote opportunity, and here you're not required to have a lot of experience. Only a little experience as technical support representative will work, and here you'll be getting paid training and 100% work from home. You'll be working at US work hours. Hello everyone, my name is Shweta, and in this video I'm going to discuss about a technical support representative job for people who are located in India. The job is from wing assistant, and here this is a remote work from home opportunity. Here are the skills and qualifications that the company is looking for. You should have at least 1 year of experience as a technical support representative, and you should have excellent English communication skills, both written and verbal. Excellent phone, email, and instant messaging communication skills is required, and solid organizational and time management skills. You should be tech savvy and familiar with current
तो यूज़
technologies
किया है।
like desktop sharing, cloud services, CRM, and VoIP. You should have experience with word processing software and spreadsheets like MS Office. You should have knowledge of online calendars and scheduling like Google Calendar. You should be proactive, confident, and able to work on a graveyard shift. To start working as a technical support representative from home, you should have USB headset with noise cancellation feature. You should have working webcam. Main and backup computer should have at least 1.8 GHz processors with at least 4 GB RAM. The main internet service speed should be 25 Mbps wired connection, whereas backup internet service speed should be at least 10 Mbps. Now here are some of the benefits that the company has mentioned. As a technical support representative, you will be getting performance incentives, job security and stability. You will be provided paid training, 100% work from home, holiday and overtime pay. And you will be working as per US work hours, 20 to 40 hours per week. The company has not disclosed the salary. However, it will be based on your skills and experience. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as a technical support representative. So as a technical support representative, need to you need to troubleshoot IT issues. So for example, how do I log in, reset password, remote access trackers not working, etc. You will be providing tech support through phone, email, and chat. You will be helping provide update and regularly send out invoices. You will be guiding customers through the initial stages of interaction with the platform or product. You will be assisting in the onboarding of customers onto the platform by creating walkthrough, workflows, and FAQs. You need to document customer interactions in the CRM and keep records up to date. You need to use the client's ticket system to track service requests and customer feedback. So if you're interested in tech support job, you can apply, and here's the application form. And if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, you can apply for the job. If you get qualified, you will be invited to take the assessment and scheduled for an interview. So only qualified candidates will be invited.